Hi, I'm Dr. Liz Cottrell, and I'm the host of the second season of The Doctor Is In, and I'm here to answer your questions about geology, the great outdoors, and living off the grid. Let's get to it. Fossil Femme on Instagram has a question that, to be honest, I get asked a lot. When is the supervolcano under Yellowstone National Park due to erupt? It is due. Yellowstone is an active system. It most recently had some small eruptions, small on a supervolcano scale, that is. And based on the eruptive history, the frequency with which Yellowstone erupts, it has a major eruption like that, and when I say major, I'm talking like wipe out North America major, every 600 to 800,000 years. So look for an eruption of that supervolcano sometime in the next 200,000 years. And another question about Yellowstone. How much warning time will there be for hikers and campers in Yellowstone National Park prior to the supervolcano erupting? I think there will be lots of warning. We'll see inflation of the ground through satellites. We'll have earthquakes that will signify motion of magma underground. Lots of eruptions have a great deal of precursor activity. Good examples of this were large eruptions such as Mount St. Helens in the United States or Pinatubo in the Philippines, where there was a lot of precursor activity and people were very effectively evacuated. And I think the same would be true for Yellowstone. Shannon on Instagram has an interesting dilemma she's trying to get to the bottom of. When you go camping, what do you do if skunks pee all around your yurt? Do you mean, did the skunks spray you? If the skunk is spraying your yurt, honey, stay inside. Do not engage in conflict with a skunk. Skunks always win. Drat, we're out of time, but keep those questions coming. Post them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them on our next episode.